In this video, we show you how to configure the intruder detection system in Matrix 1. Log in as admin. Go to System, Administration, System Parameters, Access, 130 Intruder Detection System. Activate the option by setting 130 Intruder Detection System to 1 and click on Save. Log out and log in again to activate the option. Go to Devices, Class Administration, Class Settings to configure the process of arming and disarming the IDS. If you want to confirm your booking with the PIN code when arming or disarming, you need to configure this in the variable booking instructions. Open IDS on/off and set PIN code input to always. To arm and disarm an IDS, you need at least one reader connected to a terminal. Booking on this reader will activate and deactivate the IDS. Select the reader and go to Device Group. Change the variable booking instruction to 11 IDS on/off. Then transfer the data onto the terminal. Go to Access, Additional Functions, Intruder Detection System. Click on Create New Record and choose IDS with reader blocks. If you don't want to block readers when the IDS is active, you can choose Standard IDS. Enter a name. Click on the terminal on which the reader to activate and deactivate the IDS is attached to, and make sure the correct reader is selected. Configure the outputs and inputs to your cabling situation. IDS switch output arm or disarm. This is the output arm disarm signal for the IDS. IDS input ready to be armed status. This is a signal from the IDS that indicates that the IDS is ready to be armed or ready to be disarmed. IDS input status armed or disarmed. This is the signal from the IDS that indicates that the IDS was armed or disarmed. Input for reader shutdown. When this signal is set, the access readers will be blocked. Allocate the readers that should be blocked when the IDS is armed. Only readers on the same terminal are listed here. In Matrix Pro, an advanced IDS with more functionalities is available. Let's assign the configured readers to a door to assign access permissions on them through an access profile. Go to Room Zones Door Administration and add a folder wherein we create these doors. Add new doors and name them. Click on New Entry and assign the readers to the doors. When done, add these doors to a new access profile. Go to Person Administration, Access Profiles, and click on Create New Access Profile. Name it and assign the doors to it. You also need to create a separate VBI permission. This allows a specified person to arm and disarm the IDS. Click on Create New Record. Name it and allocate the VBI number 11. Save your selection and go to Persons to enable a specific person to use the IDS configuration. This allows the person to arm or disarm the IDS. Select your security manager and activate the VBI permission. Also assign a PIN code that has to be entered when arming or disarming the IDS. In the last step, assign the access profile for IDS. You have now successfully activated and configured the intruder detection system. Remember, to arm the IDS status ready to be armed has to be set. The person has to present his badge and enter his PIN code as soon as the keypad lights up and the LED flashes green. Wait for the IDS to set its status to armed. Follow the same procedure to disarm the IDS. You can only disarm the IDS when it is armed. Make sure your settings in Additional Functions, Intruder Detection System match your cabling situation.